In this video, I'm going to be going over Solana's weekly recap written by the Solana Floor team, written by the guy called Gumshoe on Twitter. Make sure to give him a follow. Guys, there is some bullish news happening. Solana is continuously outperforming everyone's expectations, and it's just bullish. It's bullish as heck, and I am super excited to walk through this news with you guys. Before I get into the video, my name is Dennis. This is Cali Crypto. I made this YouTube channel to help you make money in crypto, learn about crypto, and stay up to date with the crypto markets. Again, none of this is financial advice. Let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, a huge thing that you need to know about when it comes to DEX volume, so decentralized exchange volume, is that because of everything that happened with FTX, Solana got beat up relative to other DeFi protocols when it comes to volume. So now all of a sudden this volume is picking up. And if you remember last week, we talked about how people are consistently getting back into DeFi, and DeFi and Solana is still growing. So Sol ETH reaches yearly highs, bullish as hell. So if we go to the chart really quick and I type in Sol ETH, you'll be able to see that on a weekly time frame, bullish, right? We're about to fill this imbalance, and Sol ETH is probably going to go to 0.002, or sorry, 0.0208. Again, very bullish, unless we deviate, right? If this is your range and price action comes back inside 0.015, then we might revisit the lows. However, one thing to keep in mind, if we close this weekly candle like this, very, very bullish. Breaking news. Circle announces that cross-chain transfer protocol CCTP is now available on DevNet for Solana. CCTP will be shown on Breakpoint. So if you guys don't know about Breakpoint, Breakpoint's a yearly Solana event that a bunch of people go to. I will be going sometime soon here in the near future. I will not be going this year. But nonetheless, super bullish. Circle, popular, Circle behind USDC, popular stablecoin, backing Solana. Visa earlier this year, like literally a month ago, backing Solana, bullish. Exactly what we're seeing to build that fundamental argument. And one thing I want to talk about too, guys, I was in the live stream with another popular YouTuber. I'm gonna leave his name out because I don't want to start any beef. Maybe I will one day, but who cares right now. He was saying Solana, he's bullish on Solana, but not on the ecosystem. When that statement doesn't really make a lot of sense to me anyways. I'll make another video on that at some point. So new Step Finance. If you guys don't know about Step Finance, they're the Solana dashboard. If you want to do like on-chain research, on-chain trading, one-stop shop for everything Solana when it comes to like how much money you have on-chain, Step Finance is the way to go. They have a really, really lucrative staking platform that I like to use within their protocol as well. So definitely check it out. And Step, the coin has been performing really well as well. Launches transaction history, allowing users to access their entire history and export it in CSV. This is extremely useful when it comes to, I dare say it, the taxes, because it's really hard to keep track of everything, especially when you're trading on chain and doing degen plays and making money that way. Solana had a problem with tokenomics. Is this still true today? Let's take a look at Solana versus Ethereum. So I'm not going to read this entire thing, but one thing that I do want to point out that I thought was really, really interesting. Solana is younger. Solana tokens are on average 7 months younger than Ethereum's tokens. So that being said, because Solana is younger than Ethereum, and Solana, again, a competitive layer one trying to get market share from Ethereum because Ethereum is not scalable and expensive to use, and transactions per second are less on Ethereum than there are on Solana. Solana's consistently trying to gain market share, and they're doing a really good job at it. And this is another argument that says, hey, look, we are younger. Solana ecosystem tokens are literally 10 months younger on average than Ethereum. Conclusions. The Solana ecosystem is still young. Young people are building on it, right? Tokens that had bad tokenomics have either become irrelevant or improved over time. This is true. If you follow Solana ecosystem coins, a lot of them, if they started out poorly, they're still around. They have really good funding and they fixed up their projects so they're prepped for the next bull cycle. And we are yet to see a new wave of tokens. However, it seems like the lesson learn fair supply distribution is key. Facts. Always key when you're looking into crypto projects. And there you go, Step Finance 2.0, DeFi 2.0 will be glorious. I totally agree. I totally agree. And then in this video, I'm not, but how Web3 can play an important role in saving the environment. This is an interesting video on the next billion podcast. This is a podcast that is part of the Step ecosystem, and they basically they interview the most interesting people when it comes to Web3 and onboarding the next billion users in crypto. And this podcast is definitely one you got to check out if you don't already know about it. This is the news, the weekly news for Solana. Again, super bullish on Solana, super bullish on the Solana ecosystem and the coins being built within it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like and subscribe. Cheers.